Welcome everyone to MRI Together 2024. We are very happy that many of you are joining us today. This year's event has a special theme, Staying Together. Under this theme, all the organizing committee members put forward ideas for 12 different sessions, hoping to help everyone think about the long-term support and development of open science projects. We hope this year's event will inspire your open science endeavors. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of what we prepared for you, we just wanted to share who our audience is first. At the moment, we have over 450 registrants from over 200 different cities in 40 countries. This highlights how diverse our audience is, so make sure you check out our Gather Town space and take the time to socialize and meet people. We, the organizing committee, are also people from all walks of life. Peter is an assistant professor at the University of Kansas Medical Center in Kansas City, Kansas. His primary focus is in the development and application of lung MRI methods, particularly using hyperpolarized gases. He tries to keep his own lung health strong by running half marathons. Peter, would you like to say hi to our audience?
Absolutely. It's been a real pleasure putting together MRI together with this amazing organizing committee. We're very excited to have you all here and look forward to a great week of discussing open MRI.
Amazing. Next, we have Christian, and he is a medical technologist and a master's student at the Pontifical Catholic University of Chile with a specialty in medical imaging. He enjoys all topics medical imaging related, especially MRI. He has experience as an MRI research technologist, especially in image acquisition and processing, lab management, research design, scientific writing, and education. Maybe now Christian can say hi to you guys.
Hi, everyone. Nice to have you all here.
Next, we have Lars, and Lars is the lead MR physicist of the Toronto Neuroimaging Facility at the University of Toronto, Canada. He strives to lift the functional MRI signal above an engulfing sea of noise by spiral imaging, magnetic field monitoring, and physiological noise correction. His free time is now managed by his two sons, and he tries to cling to European traditions in Canada, such as biking to work. Lars?
Hi, everyone.
Next, we have Patricia, and she is a postdoctoral researcher within the Mira Neuro Research Group at the Ghent University and Ghent University Hospital. Using advanced MRI techniques, she studies the brain across the lifespan in both health and disease. In addition to topics such as healthy brain aging and early detection of dementia, she examines the changes in the brain throughout a woman's life. She's an open science enthusiast and advocates for networking and collaboration. Patricia?
Hello, everybody.
The next one, Bing, unfortunately is not around. He's currently a visiting researcher in the Netherlands, but he's also a postdoctoral research fellow at the Chinese Academy of Science, and he has a pretty cute cat. And finally, Fernanda, the very person who is speaking with you. I'm a fresh Marie Curie Fellow at Gießen University in Germany and an honorary fellow at the University of Queensland in Australia. I'm interested in automating medical imaging tasks with deep learning and inter-individual variability in brain function. I keep my cultural connection with my motherland, Brazil, by trying to play capoeira. Just trying. This amazing team has put together a program that covers several topics on software development, education and training, data and code sharing, culture, and more. In just a few moments, in Bridging the Educational Gap, we will learn how to share knowledge about MRI openly. Later today, in New Kids on the block Open Science in Emerging MR Applications, the speakers will discuss how lessons learned from open and reproducible brain MRI can be adopted in other areas, such as body MRI. Tomorrow, we'll start off with the funding landscape for open source projects, something that is crucial for software maintenance. Then, intransferable open MRI skills from academia to industry, speakers will share their insights on career decisions and highlight how their expertise in MRI research has been pivotal in their professional journeys. In the second half of tomorrow, we'll have Reproducibility Crisis Revisited, a session aimed at delving deep into the critical issues surrounding replication failures in brain imaging studies and exploring strategic pathways towards enhancing the robustness and validity of research outcomes. The Cutting Edge MRI Toolbox exhibition will highlight innovative MRI data processing tools in a dynamic and interactive environment. On Thursday, in Open Science, in Standards for Sharing Data and Code, we will review different possibilities for code and data sharing and the importance of a culture of code sharing. And as a nice follow-up session in Tools of the Trade, tutorials and essential open science software we will have hands-on tutorials of essential software for open science research. We will wrap up Thursday with at Second Sight, open science projects that succeeded at their own pace, where we will hear from researchers about how they persevered with open science projects despite the odds, and how they built a community around it that enabled long-term success and continued development and support. On Friday, our last conference day, we will start with collaborative coding towards more impactful solutions, where speakers will share their experience in working collaborative towards solving big challenges in our field. Then, in MRI Together 2024 highlights, we will hear from the Open Science Abstract Awards at the recent ESRMRMB conference in Barcelona, and give the stage to the finalists of our MRI Together 2024 Poster Awards, concluding with the award ceremony. Note that you can actually vote for your favorite speakers, so come join us. And to wrap up MRI Together on a very positive note, in sustainable volunteering, we will learn from open science experts, as well as other fields of volunteering, how to navigate conflicting demands and stay happy, healthy, and productive while also volunteering. But of course, MRI Together is not just about open science and MRI. We have also planned plenty of social activities and treasure hunts. The first one, our favorite, is the bear hunt. We have shared our mascot with the speakers, and they have included this cute bear in their slides. The idea is to take screenshots whenever you see the ISMRM bear and send all screenshots to MRI Together at esmrmb.org by the end of the At Second Sight session. We will announce the winner at the MRI Together 2024 highlights, so bear with us. The person who spots the most bear will win a cash prize of 25 euros. On Gather Town, we will also run a treasure hunt. There, you need to search for 8 MRI Together globes, just like the one you can see here. And whoever finds all globes first will win a 25 euros cash prize. Like in the bear hunt, you just need to email us all the screenshots as soon as you find all the globes, and you will notice that they will have slightly different colors. Also on Gather Town, we will have the Meet the Speaker corner, where the speakers and attendees can chat after each session. Finally, Gather Town also has all the information you might need, including easy access to the program and the Zoom link. And the access password is ESMRMB. For those who missed it, we'll announce all awards and prize winners at the MRI Together 2024 highlights. And again, you can vote for your favorite abstract presentation. Please come. Finally, we would like to thank our sponsors for their support. Without it, we couldn't run this conference for free and give awards and prizes to our attendees. Thank you again. With that, we hope MRI Together will inspire us to stay together, keep working on open science projects, and expand our collaboration network. Thank you.